Today I'm going to show you how to make a super trendy salmon rice bowl. Step number one, I'm going to rinse the rice, and I'm using sushi rice or short grain. The next step you can do in either a pot or in a rice cooker. 2 1/4 cups of water, 1/4 cup rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Bring the water up to a simmer before adding the rice to the pot. Now you just want to let it cook until the rice is tender and all of the liquid is absorbed. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. And now we're going to make the sauce. So the sauce is really important because it brings all the flavors together. It seasons the salmon, but it also seasons the rice. So we're going to start off with some more rice vinegar, soy sauce. This is such an easy sauce, and you probably have all of these ingredients already in your fridge. Scallions, grated ginger, grated garlic, and now I'm going to give it a stir before I add the oil. I just want to get everything really nicely mixed up. My regular oil and my sesame oil. That's it. Could it be easier? I don't think so. I have 1.5 pounds of skinless salmon fillet, and I've cut it up into 1-inch cubes. And now I'm going to season it. So instead of seasoning it with salt, I'm going to use a little bit of fish sauce, which is salt plus umami deliciousness. And basically that's sort of like your salt, because you're not going to add any extra salt to your salmon. So this is what's seasoning it. And just give it a toss. And then that can just hang out while the rice cooks. So you just want to let it sit. And as you let the salmon sit with its seasonings, it absorbs all of that flavor. So it's going to taste more flavorful by the time you put it on the rice. And now we wait for another 15 minutes. Now we're gonna just sprinkle the salmon cubes right on top of the rice. And then over very low heat, if you have it on the stove, or just on the keep warm function of your rice cooker, just let the salmon steam until it's done. And that's gonna take about 8 to 12 minutes. Okay. Alrighty, let's take a look. Oh, nice. So this is how I like my salmon cooked. It's like, I would say 3/4 of the way done. Let's call it rare salmon. If you like yours a little more well done or a little less well done, you can just adjust the cooking time. Add a minute, take off a minute. Now let's plate it up. A little bit of sauce. The garnishing is the best part, it's so fun. Just garnish to your heart's delight. A little bit of spicy. And then that is it. Oh my God, I can't, this is so beautiful. Yum. Could there be anything easier or more delicious or more trendy than a salmon rice bowl? I don't think so. Digging in.